What's up, guys? It's your girl Donna right here, and I am about to start some seafood cooking, some shrimp and salmon with rice and vegetable and avocado. Avocado is vegetable. But let's show you what I'm about to do in this kitchen today. Let me know in the comment section below if you like this preparation on this food. So hop over to my kitchen, guys. Okay, guys, so now you're in my kitchen, and this is a pack of salmon that I bought at Costco and a pack of shrimp. So I am going to remove the plastic from the salmon, and the shrimp need to clean up because the tails are still on the shrimp. So I am going to clean up the shrimp right now and come back. Okay, so the salmon are sealed in plastics. So I need the scissors to cut these plastic and remove the salmon from the plastic. And then I'm going to clean up the shrimp. As you can see, the tails are still on the shrimp. So I just need to pull them off and clean up these seafood, guys. So here you have it now, guys. The salmon and the shrimp is now cleaned up and washed. So as you can see, I remove all the tail from the shrimp, clean up the salmon, wash them with some vinegar. Now I'm gonna add some onion powder, some Maggi fish seasoning, Maggi all-purpose, garlic powder, and some salt. So that's all the season I'm gonna add now on this, and then cover it up while I get everything else ready and just let it soak. So I'm gonna add a little garlic powder, then I'm gonna add a little onion powder, a little salt. This is sea salt. And believe me, you see it look like I'm pouring a lot. It's very little. A little Maggi, all purpose, or fish seasoning, whichever one that is. And a little Maggi. That is the art. This is the art purpose. So I add little powder season and I'm just gonna rub it in and let it cover it up and let it soak. So that's it, guys. This is how it look. And now I'm gonna massage the seasoning in. Just massage the seasoning right through and through and let it soak. Want to make sure the season touch everywhere. So this is the pot I'm going to cook the fish in. I'm gonna cook it up in, but first I'm going to add some water, and then I'm just adding the coconut milk, and I'm going to make the tomato cooked. I need the tomato to boil right out to give it that red nice color. No ketchup, natural tomato. So I use a half of that Grace um, coconut milk, and then I cut up these small tomato, and I'm gonna let them cooked all the way out. So while I'm getting the shrimp and the salmon ready, the coconut milk will be cooking in the tomato. I'm gonna add some pimento seed, just a few. You see it bubbling? You're bubbling, you're bubbling, you're bubbling, you're bubbling. Okay, so this part now, I am going to fry the salmon in here while the tomato is cooking. Yes, I need a piece of time to cook. And the garlics. Also, I add a little Maggi all-purpose in here and a little cayenne pepper. Before I put the salmon in the pot, I am going to I am putting these garlics and a hot scotch bonnet pepper in the oil. So now the salmon is getting color. You know, salmon is easy to cook, so we don't have to really fry too much. So I'm doing it. Yeah, I'm turning them now. Not gonna make them too deep because they're gonna go in the gravy. And salmon very easy to cook. So I gotta be careful as they're gonna break up in pieces. So see it now, them ready to come out of the pot here. So now I'm gonna add some more salmon and let them get color also. This camera is upside down. It's ridiculous. So see me cut up the seasoning there. Some bell pepper, onion, scallion. Give it that nice color. So me I go cut up some color bell pepper now. Red, orange, yellow. And as you can see, I already cut up some green bell pepper. So you're going to bring up that color up in the sauce. Fish them look good. So them fish there, take them out, add some shrimp, giving the shrimp like a minute on each side. Just let them get some color. One minute on each side is pretty good. Because shrimp is the next thing. Can't really cook it long because it will get tough and taste some kind of way. A minute and a half on each side. And because the pot is not on high, the pot is really on medium. So there it is, guys. Already take out this batch. And then the next batch now, get some color. This a camera I turn upside down all the time. I don't know how I go on feet. But make it a turn upside down. So you see the simmer in now? That's the gravy for them. The boil, simmer. I don't know what I go on for this camera now. It's just all over the place. Okay, so I finished with that. So I'm just going to saute these seasoning and give them, when you saute your fresh seasoning, it give it a different flavor to your meal, a different flavor when you saute all these. Not going to fry them up, like just let them, you know, blend in together. When you just throw them in the water and cook them like that, them know, to me it's like get that flavor from it. So the tomato them need to mash a little bit to make the gravy rich. Them all cook out now. The garlic cook out and it's so easy them a mash just to get the gravy rich. Some people really like put the ketchup in it to give it some color. But really if you boil out the tomato, them actually become like tomato paste. But it just give it a different color from the whole ketchup. And the ketchup having the sugar, so it kind of make it sweety. So it's best to like boil out the tomato first in the gravy, and then just saute the seasoning, give it a little stir fry like. Now fry them too much. Look on that, man. Look how it rich. It rich and colorful, girl. Guys, it rich and colorful, but I don't know what I go on for that camera. It's just all over the place. So sorry about the camera. I guess because most of it I use one hand and I try to hold the camera. So first I add the shrimp. Can I just give it a little minute? Them here already cooking. Them don't need no more than 2 minutes in a fire for cook. Shrimp don't hard to cook at all. So I'm just going to give it another minute before I add the salmon. So you see that? Look rich, right? Massa God. Me never do this before. At the first me I do something like this. It's just my knowledge. See that? So now I already add the salmon, and then me just wet it up with the gravy. The salmon itself don't really need much cooking either. So I eat that really. So I'm gonna just give it a few minutes more and let it simmer. I eat this, guys. Yes, so nice, See it there? That's the end of it. Hope you like this video, guys. Leave me a thumbs up if you like this video. Tell me what you think in the comment section below. One love, unity, strength, power. God bless you all.